The following recipe makes 4 servings of savoury pancakes. Ben wants to make 6 servings of savoury pancakes. How much butter is needed for 6 pancakes? Original servings to new servings is in the ratio of 4 to 6. It is now a case of converting this ratio into a fraction that we use to multiply the amount of butter for 4 servings. And of course, we want the amount of butter to increase. So the fraction we create is 6 divided by 4, not 4 divided by 6, because we want the amount of butter, in this case, to get bigger. So you can see that this ratio has here been converted to a fraction by dividing the 6 by the 4, which we can write as 6 over 4. And of course, 6 over 4 will cancel down because you can divide both the top and the bottom by 2, to 3 to 2. So we write down the 24, which represents the 24 grams of butter, and we multiply this by 3 over 2. And of course, we can see that 2 divides into 2 once, and it divides into 24 12 times, and we end up with 12 times 3, which is 36. So the result is 36 grams of butter are needed for the new servings of 6 pancakes. Of course, we'd have to consider how we would need to alter the other ingredients of the recipe, but this question has only asked how much butter is needed for 6 pancakes. So that's the solution I have shown in this video.